Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify AT&T account security with Smart Wi-Fi Manager, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open the Smart Wi-Fi Manager app on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is open, sign in using your AT&T account credentials. After signing in, you will be brought to the main dashboard. Locate the Network Overview section on the dashboard. Here, you will see a list of all devices currently connected to your network. To ensure security, review the list for any unfamiliar devices. If you find an unknown device, tap on it for more details. You can choose to block the device from your network if necessary. Next, navigate to the settings icon, usually found in the upper corner of the screen. In the settings menu, look for the Wi-Fi security option. Tap on Wi-Fi security to access the security settings for your network. Here, you can enable or disable features like network notifications. Make sure the option for WPA2 encryption is enabled, as this ensures a secure connection. To further enhance security, consider changing your Wi-Fi password regularly. Look for the Change Password option within the Wi-Fi settings. Enter your new password and confirm it to finalize the change. Returning to the dashboard, you can also run a speed test to check your connection quality. A strong connection can often indicate a secure network. If any vulnerabilities are detected during the test, follow the recommended actions provided by the app. To monitor your network continuously, enable notifications for device connections. This will help you stay informed about any changes in your network status. Regularly checking your network settings is key to maintaining security. Finally, log out of your account when you are done to protect your information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.